Ever wondered what vital life lessons you might have missed out on? Today, we reveal 9 crucial lessons your father never taught you, lessons that could change everything. Imagine facing life's challenges without the right guidance. What if you could finally uncover the secrets to success, wealth, and meaningful relationships that have eluded you until now? Think about the moments you felt lost or unprepared. These lessons are designed to fill those gaps, providing you with the wisdom and skills to navigate life's toughest obstacles. Imagine transforming your struggles into strengths and finding clarity where there was once confusion. Understanding the importance of taking ownership of your actions is the foundation of a successful life. Imagine a father teaching his son to accept responsibility for his mistakes, emphasizing how this builds character and trust. This lesson is about embracing your role in every situation and understanding that your actions have consequences. Think about how tempting it can be to shift blame instead of owning up to your mistakes. These moments create a pattern of avoiding responsibility, which can hinder personal growth. By taking accountability, you not only gain the respect of others, but also empower yourself to make positive changes. Embrace your mistakes, learn from them, and watch how this simple shift transforms your life. Financial independence is a crucial lesson many of us never learned from our fathers. Imagine a father teaching his son the essentials of budgeting, saving, and investing. Effective budgeting ensures you live within your means and save for future goals. Focus on saving for assets, not liabilities, as assets grow in value and generate income, while liabilities drain your finances. Financial independence brings freedom and peace of mind, allowing life choices without financial constraints. Recognizing and addressing red flags is non-negotiable for maintaining healthy relationships. Picture a father drilling into his son the critical importance of spotting warning signs in people and situations. Ignoring red flags is a direct path to disaster, whether in personal relationships or professional settings. Think about the times you sensed something was wrong but chose to ignore it. Those moments likely led to regret and chaos. Trusting your instincts and confronting issues head-on can save you from heartache and turmoil. Whether it's a toxic friendship, a manipulative romantic partner, or a shady business deal, recognizing red flags is your defense against being taken advantage of. Setting boundaries is not just an option, it's a necessity. Boundaries protect your mental and emotional health and ensure you demand respect. Address red flags immediately to create a safer, healthier environment for yourself. This aggressive approach to red flags will not only cleanse your personal life, but also sharpen your professional instincts, allowing you to handle complex situations with authority. Stay vigilant and brutally honest with yourself. Pay attention to patterns of behavior and never ignore your gut feelings. By doing so, you can prevent potential disasters before they unfold. Now, let's dive into the next lesson, the critical importance of health and wellness. In this relentless world, neglecting your health is a death sentence. Imagine a father hammering into his son's mind the importance of physical and mental fitness. Without health, you are vulnerable and a target for those who seek to exploit you. Think about the worst-case scenarios: chronic illnesses, debilitating conditions, and mental breakdowns. These are the consequences of ignoring your well-being. Regular exercise and eating right are essential for survival, not luxuries. Mental health is equally crucial. Anxiety, depression, and burnout can destroy your ability to act decisively. Prioritize rest, manage stress, and seek help when needed. Maintaining health and wellness is about survival. Train your body and mind like a warrior preparing for battle. Neglecting either makes you an easy target. Take charge of your health now, before it's too late. Now, let's move on to the next lesson. Understanding there are no cheat codes to life's challenges. In this harsh world, there are no cheat codes. Success isn't handed out, it's earned through relentless effort and resilience. Imagine a father drilling this into his son's mind. Shortcuts lead to failure, regret, and missed opportunities. Every obstacle is a test of your resolve. Embrace the grind, face challenges head-on, and understand that true achievements come from hard work and perseverance. Avoiding hard work guarantees mediocrity. Build a mindset that welcomes challenges, knowing they forge your character and abilities. Remember, every time you look for an easy way out, you're setting yourself up for failure. There are no magic solutions. Only through dedication and relentless effort will you achieve lasting success. Life's battles require you to be tough, disciplined, and unyielding. Prepare for the grind and face every challenge with unwavering determination. No one is going to hand you success. You have to fight for it with everything you've got. The world is ruthless, and only those who embrace the struggle will rise to the top. Now, let's move on to the next lesson: mastering effective communication. In the battlefield of life, communication is your weapon. Imagine a father instilling in his son the power of clear, assertive communication. Without it, you are misunderstood, overlooked, and disrespected. Think about failed relationships and missed opportunities due to poor communication. Master the art of clear expression and active listening. Your words must be intentional and impactful. Practice speaking with confidence and clarity. Assertiveness is key. Stand your ground and make your voice heard. Effective communication requires courage and conviction. In this ruthless world, knowledge is your greatest weapon. Imagine a father drilling into his son the necessity of continuous learning. Without relentless pursuit of knowledge, you are stagnant and vulnerable. Complacency is your enemy. The moment you stop learning, you start falling behind. The world evolves rapidly, and staying ahead requires constant effort. Seek out new skills, dive into challenging topics, and never settle for what you already know. Every day is an opportunity to sharpen your mind. Push yourself to read, study, and explore new areas. Don't let laziness or fear hold you back. Stay curious, ask questions, and be relentless in your quest for knowledge. Lifelong learning requires dedication and discipline. It's about more than just formal education. It's about seeking knowledge in every aspect of life. Equip yourself with knowledge to stay competitive and resilient in this cutthroat world. In this cutthroat world, strong relationships are your fortress. Imagine a father instilling in his son the importance of loyalty, respect, and empathy. Without strong bonds, you are isolated and vulnerable. Neglecting relationships leads to betrayal and loneliness. Your connections are your lifeline, providing the support needed to navigate life's challenges. Show loyalty, give respect, and demonstrate empathy. These qualities build trust and make your relationships unbreakable. Don't let pride or fear prevent you from forging deep connections. The strongest warriors have a loyal tribe behind them. Invest in your relationships, nurture them, and they will become your greatest asset. In this brutal world, having a clear purpose is your guiding star. Imagine a father driving his son to discover what truly matters in life. Without purpose, you're adrift and vulnerable to life's chaos. Living aimlessly leads to frustration and emptiness. Purpose gives you direction and strength. It turns struggles into meaningful challenges and gives you a reason to fight. Your purpose is your internal compass, steering you through adversity. Every day is a chance to define and pursue your purpose. Identify what drives you and align your actions with those passions. This focus gives you the resilience to overcome obstacles. Purpose isn't handed to you. It's forged through relentless effort and reflection. Never settle for mediocrity. Push yourself to explore, commit, and stay true to what matters most. In a world full of distractions, a clear purpose sets you apart and keeps you grounded. Embrace your purpose as the core of your strength. These 9 lessons hold the power to transform your life. They fill the gaps left by what you might never have been taught, empowering you to face life's challenges with confidence and resilience. Embrace responsibility, seek financial independence, recognize red flags, prioritize health, understand there are no shortcuts, master communication, pursue lifelong learning, build strong relationships, and find your purpose. If you found value in these lessons, hit the like button and subscribe to the Modern Warrior Wisdom for more insights that will elevate your life. Together, let's conquer every challenge and achieve greatness.